Here's the Kia Sorento. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Go ahead and open up the hatch partially so you have easy access to the lights. One thing to note is that this lens cracks very easily, so it looks like somebody worked on this previously and ended up cracking the lens by over tightening the screws over there. So when you're tightening it, be very careful. See over here too, one's cracked. I'm just gonna work on the other one because that's the only one that's holding the lens in place. Let's loosen it and get the lens out. Now the lens just comes right out. To get the bulb out, just first rotate the bulb in place. You have to do that, otherwise it won't come out. So do that, then pull that one metal side off away from the bulb. That should get it off from one side. Repeat the process for the other side, and then the bulb just comes right out. There you go. Now the bulb size number is 6418. It's a 36mm Festoon bulb. 6418. Get the new bulb and first push it up against the one metal side. Just push it up against it and then use that support to get it in contact with the second side. Once it's sitting like this, just push it to get it in that slot, and now just rotate the bulb to secure it in place, and that's good. Put the lens back on, and let's put the screw on as well, and be careful that you do not over tighten the screw because that will be not good and you'll end up cracking the lens from both the sides, and then you'll have to get a new lens. That's it. Close the hatch. Hope you found the video useful.